Trapped in the concept, falsely accused, was used, and misled, bitch, I'm hoping.
Hello guys, so today we are going to show you a common problem faced by every YouTube recorder or every YouTube creator who is into recording his own display or any window on the computer or laptop. So let me just show you what the exactly problem is. So there is an OBS studio. Let's open it. Now if you see, I have added a one scene with source as a display capture, but it doesn't show me anything. So let's go ahead and delete that and try again. You click on add, then select display capture, select OK, select your display, and then you can see there is nothing here. Even if you start recording, it might show you something like black screen, but it's not even showing in my laptop. So why this happens? So my theory is, in laptop there are, if there is one or more graphic cards, like then there is a problem in selecting which graphic card should be used. Like my laptop have two graphic cards, one is dedicated and one is integrated. As I'm using NVIDIA GeForce 940MX, it selects that every program should use global setting, like it forces every application to use NVIDIA, but NVIDIA graphic card is only activated or works fine with the games and stuff that use most of the rendering. So as OBS is going to record or stream your display, whole display, then you might have to select integrated graphic. That's what my theory says. So in solution, we are going to change this graphic card use of the application to integrated. So let's follow up with that. So with the solution, you can follow my steps. So just right click here, select properties, then select the target, where the target is located. You can just click on open file location. You can see your launching application or launching icon as there. So we have to click on properties, then copy the location, say copy, then go back. Now open your NVIDIA control panel. Now go in manage 3D settings. I'm already there, and you have to add your application like OBS Studio. I have already added, like it shows in my recent uses, but to give you a full example how to do it, click on browse, then paste the path of the launching application here, select that, and select OBS 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit OBS Studio, then there is no problem, you can use or follow the same steps. Then go in drop down here and select integrated graphics, and as you selected this, it shows any changes made in bold format. Now click on apply and wait for the changes to happen. Now the changes are done. Just select go back. As now the changes are done, close everything like NVIDIA control panel and all, and go back and check if the results are as we expected. As you can see, I can see the whole screen now, and it is working fine. So if you try and it work for you guys, just like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what we can do more for you guys. Thank you.